Welcome back to House. Ellie, today, what are we in for?
Well, I've got something very interesting to talk about. So over the weekend, I did something that I don't usually do.
What's that?
I went to the Taylor Swift concert.
Bullshit.
I did too. It cost me nearly $900 for me and someone else to attend. And that's out of character, as you know, but it was worth it.
How was it worth it?
My partner is a Swiftie. She loves it. She had to go. There was no ifs or buts about it. She bought these tickets 6 months ago.
I'm lost for words. What a waste of money.
Well, you say that, and I agree to a point. Absolutely agree, because I'm all about, as you know, putting that money, because everyone's, times are tough, putting that money towards better use, paying off the rent, paying off, mortgage if you have one, saving whatever. It's $900 plus, it came to about $1,000 with taxes and everything. That $1,000 can go a long way, yet, for that 1 hour, or call it 3 hours of enjoyment, you could justify it. And not just that, there was 90 odd, very odd, 1,000 people in attendance. So 90,000 people paying on average $300, $400 a ticket. It's a lot of money. And there's a variety of people there, from, call it 60-year-olds, through to parents bringing their kids at 2 years of age. And they're still paying top dollar. There's no discounts for kids.
I find this to be totally absurd.
Well,
There is no way you would ever see me. I may as well go, I would have been happier with you,
yes.
actually, if you would have said, I've gone and spent $1,000 on lotto tickets.
Why?
Which is pretty much worse than crypto, but anyway.
Why do you say that?
Because you may have something at the end of the day.
So you had a chance to win something.
Correct. Rather than waste 3 hours of time with people who
But
are...
that's harsh. It's not wasting. There's enjoyment factor. You've got to enjoy life. There's no point working, slaving away, and not enjoying the outcome, the fruits of your labour.
Yeah, okay, but I find waking up is a pretty good way to start your day, in all honesty. Because a lot of people don't wake up. But $1,000, and I can tell you what I saw, which I was just dumbfounded, was these adults,
Yes.
well, supposedly
Oh,
adults.
dressed up in pink and all that.
Well, no, not that, but with their children. Their role models for children in this day and age is highly questionable, in my opinion.
It's a separate argument, but
I think it's totally relevant.
Correct. But I haven't told you the full truth.
Oh God, I'm shitting myself.
So Pink's coming next week. She'll be performing.
No way.
And we've got tickets to Pink. It didn't cost us as much, but yes. And that's, it's pricey, but look, it's worth it. We don't go out that often, and I justified it, the enjoyment factor. But you're 100% correct. Should that money have been put towards paying off loans or whatever? Yes, definitely better financially. Saving, definitely financially better off. Yet there's that element that you can't really quantify that counts. Another interesting part about it. So I'm mentioning there was a lot of chatter saying that Taylor Swift herself has brought anywhere between $500 million to $1 billion into the economy.
I have one word: bullshit. Absolutely not.
I thought that was the case, but having been there, and as they call it, merch, never heard that word before, but merchandise, right? The sales were extraordinary. People buying t-shirts, caps, everything. Hotels, people flying all around.
$1,000 million.
A billion.
Not a chance. Into the Australian economy?
Hotels.
Bullshit.
Hotels. Retail. Restaurants.
You'd be lucky if it was 100 million. Lucky.
Okay, well, they say anywhere from 500 million to $1 billion. That's a big number.
And what they say as well is that the Earth is square. Like, really? Who's
Who
talking
knows?
who up here?
Who
Do you
knows?
know what I mean?
No, I get that. But going back to, if you ask the question, would I do it again? No, I wouldn't. So I've experienced it once. Yet I'm attending Pink, so another expense. That's it. I'm done.
It just cringe.
I'm done.
It just sends a shiver down my spine. Taylor Swift.
Yes.
I do enjoy some of her songs.
Oh, now we're talking.
No,
So you're
no,
a
no.
Swiftie at heart.
Not a chance.
Okay.
Oh, I think there's like 2 songs
Yes.
that I've heard,
Yes.
and I thought, they're good songs, but that's it. Really?
So you'd rather
These
listen to the
people
radio? Yes.
are held up there as God status within the
Correct.
community, and I wonder why the community is turning to shit.
I do agree with you. Yes.
And
Agree.
it is just going, you know what, actually, we're going to be having a few chats about this, and I'm going to be very blunt because I have a very firm opinion. A lot of people aren't going to like what I've got to say. I get it, but you know what? It's a free world, it's free speech. I can say whatever I want. As long as I'm not hurting people, that's fine.
Absolutely. Okay, so guys, you heard it first. This is going to be controversial.
Oh, it is going
Few
to be,
videos
actually.
coming up.
Shit. Okay.
Stay on. Watch our videos. Please share far and wide, and don't forget to do.
Yeah, and if you don't like it, just put a comment up there.
I left it hanging. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe.
Okay. Very good.
Take care.
Thank you.